Hi there, friends. It is Mindy Kiker and none other than Alan Arnold. Welcome, Alan.
Hey, everybody. Good to see you.
We are so excited to share something very special with you. If you sign up for the Organize the Content of Your Book Writer's Retreat that is taking place this Friday on the 21st of April, you are going to receive a special workshop with none other than the master of book marketing, Alan Arnold. And Alan, tell us a little bit about what you're going to teach us, because it's not just marketing, it's kind of a unique angle on something that we may have never thought of before.
Absolutely. And it's about back cover copy. And often that's the last thing people think about. But we're going to talk about how back cover copy is actually the best way to begin your book. I'm talking before you even finish writing your book, maybe before you start your book. It's a roadmap to what's possible if you know how to do it. So we're going to talk about that and just the art of great back cover copy. It's not a formula. There's not one way to do it, but there are certain things that really draw the reader in. And Mindy, I just wanted to offer for everybody that signs up for this event, you'll know how many people that is. And I would love to offer a half-hour coaching call free to one of those people that sign up in advance. And so if that helps you who are listening sign up a little bit early, I would love for you to do that. And hopefully we'll get a chance to have a coaching session together.
Oh, that's incredibly generous. Thank you, Alan. What a treat. So listen, folks, come on and join us at the live event this Friday. Jenny and I can't wait to meet you there to share this workshop with you to begin that ideation process, that clarity of what is this book about? And how am I going to structure it and design it, just to get that first jump start into understanding the content that's going to take place in that book to make that promise fulfilled to your reader. So we look forward to seeing you there. Bye.